share the taste of life. Korean dad, Filipino mom. In every dish, a world of spice. Come along, the journey's calm. Cooking up love, one bite at a time. With little Sean, life's so fine. From brushing teeth to chores so sweet. In our kitchen, we all meet. Follow us, come and see the cutest chef you'll ever meet.
You want to give mommy?
From a tiny spoon to a wooden spatula, every moment magical and true. Whipping up joy with a sprinkle of fun. In every meal, a bit of sun. Whether it's kimchi or adobo,
Please watch my other videos too.